Borodar, good morning and welcome to our assembly. This week is Mental Health Awareness Week. We hope you're thinking of ways in which you can be kind and pass on those acts of kindness to other people. The teachers this week have been thinking of new and inventive ways in which they could share their awards with you. So, without further ado, here are our Assembly Awards.
Hi boys and girls.
Hi boys and girls.
Well done for all your hard work online.
It's getting harder and harder every week to choose a Seren or Wythnos.
So this week we decided to do it via paper aeroplane. Are you ready, Mrs. Brown?
I'm ready, Mrs. Williams. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Catch. Archie.
Emily.
Well done, everyone.
Well done, boys and girls.
Hello boys and girls, it's Bonnie here. Miss Boyce has asked me to tell you who the Seren and Wythnos is this week. It's going to be Pixie Aco. Pixie, you're such a kind and helpful girl, and we hope you're having fun at home. We look forward to seeing everybody back in school soon. Stay safe everybody, bye.
Morning boys and girls, it's time to announce the winner of this week's Seren or Wythnos, and Ruby is supposed to be helping me but she's run off, so if you bear with me, I'm going to try and catch her. Ruby, come on, come on. Oh, thank you. Where's the star, Ruby? Perhaps? That's it. I'm very excited. Okay. It's Aled. Da iawn, Aled.
Bore da pawb. I'm Seren yr wythnos yma yn mynd i...
Nerys and Rosa, congratulations, you are our stars of the week. You wrote such fantastic stories and we're extremely proud of you.
Llongyfarchiadau i chi ddaw rydych chi'n ysgrifennu yn hyfryd. Amazing work, da iawn chi. Hwyl fawr!
Bye!
Seren or Wythnos this week for Year 3R is for someone who's been doing amazing online work since we've been in lockdown. But in particular, they created an incredible recipe using one of these. It's Zach!
Bore da pawb, Mrs Evs here. A huge thank you to all of you who are working so hard at home. My Seren yr Wythnos this week is a person from my class who is literally working their socks off. And their initials are DT. Da iawn, really proud of you.
Huge well done to this week's Seren yr Wythnos winner. They've been working so hard at home, and I was particularly impressed this week with their project all about the Swansea copper industry. I was so impressed that they even went to visit some of the old copper works. Now I'm sure I wrote his name down somewhere.
Year 5 NW Seren yr Wythnos winner for this week is, drumroll please, congratulations Thomas, it's thoroughly deserved. Your work on all the seesaw activities has been superb. I'm very proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself too. Well done.